Hi, this is Dr. John Romero again. I'm inviting you on an event there in Jakarta called the Innovation Day collaboration with Cobra, Dental, and Woodpecker. This will be held at Hotel Aloft, Jakarta from 8 a.m. It will be a lecture and a hands-on workshop for diode laser and piezosurgery machine. And in the past 3 years, I have been using this different machine. The Woodpecker implanter, Woodpecker LX16 diode laser for soft tissue surgery, and the piezosurgery machine, all coming from Woodpecker. I cannot work with my surgery if these machines are not available. So during my stay in Jakarta, I will be presenting about the different uses of piezosurgery machine and LX16 diode laser in dentistry. The LX16 diode laser are dedicated for soft tissue surgery such as incisions, gingivectomy, tongue tie release, teeth bleaching, and even gingival rejuvenation or gingival bleaching. You can also witness the use of this in TMJ for low-level laser biostimulation. And for piezosurgery machine, you will witness windowing technique, sinus surgery, and many more. So hope to see you there.